Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have ASA here for the first time on this channel, and this song is called Ocean. So this one is a very calm, beautiful and relaxing song, and very easy to play as well. Only 2 chords that goes back and forth through the entire song. So that is great. So let's start to set our capo here on the 3rd fret, and we have the 2 chords F and G. Alright, but they will be taken in a little different way. So we'll start with the F. Looks like a bar chord, but it really isn't, because we will not bar the 1st fret this time. We'll just hit the note there. 1st fret on E string in the bass, then 3rd fret A string, 3rd fret D, and 2nd fret G. And that's it. Alright, because we will use only the bass and middle strings here, and I will explain pretty soon why. So that will be this F chord, and then we have the G, and what you do there, you just take this grip and push it 2 frets up to that grip here. So that will be 3rd fret on E string, 5th fret on A, 5th fret on D, and 4th fret on G. And that's it for the G chord. Alright, so why do we have these variations of these 2 chords, F and G? Because we will hit the melody here, that's going on here, and that's why. So the melody for F will be here on the G string. So it sounds like this. That is 1 round. You will play 2 rounds for each and every chord. So 2 rounds of F, 2 rounds of G, and back like this, back and forth. So this melody was that is 2 rounds. So it will start here on the G string, 2nd fret, then open G, then 2nd G, then open G, 2nd G, and finally open G. So you will alternate the 2nd and open 3 rounds, but you will have to have this rhythm here, so it's alright, so it's and then quick, alright, so 2 0 2 0 2 0 on G string. So that is the rhythm, and that is what you want to implement in the strumming here. So to just go plain with the strumming, you can use the down up technique there. So down up, you alternate that with your right hand, down up. So with this F chord, it will be all right. So every time you hit a note, you take 1 down or 1 up. Okay, so that was the F chord. Then you switch to G, you just push this grip 2 frets up, and the note will be, or the melody will be, you work in the same way there. So now the notes will be alternating 4th fret on G string and open G still. So that will be 4th, open, 4th, then open, 4th, open. And that will be built in into this grip here. You have the 4th here with your middle finger on the G string. So, like that. Alright, so that is how you get these notes. And that is also the reason for why you don't want to go a full downstroke. Especially don't want this E string in the end here, because you want to emphasize these notes, and that is the way you're gonna do that, is to end your strumming on the G. You can also include the B no problems there, but try to stay on the G and that will be even more highlighted. Okay, so to get a couple of rounds of this chords and this strumming, it will be like this. You can also add more to it. I showed you both ways in the introduction of this tutorial. I showed you just this down, up every time you hit a note. But you can also add more down ups and work a little bit more with your right hand here. So I can give you one example. I will not give you the exact way of doing it because it's more on feeling. And yeah, there's nothing right or wrong here. Just go with the feeling. I can show you how it could sound. So I can go from this standard, just one down up on the note, and then I can add in the extra down ups here so you can hear the difference there. So let's go for one round just with the down ups. So I think you heard that. It was more action there. So it's so you work a little bit more with your right hand. So down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so that is the way you can handle these chords with. I hope that was helpful, guys. ASA, Ocean, great song there. So give it a try, 2 chords only. Let's go. So thank you for watching and don't forget, play tuned.